Welcome. If you've ever scheduled a message on Telegram but later wanted to check or manage it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to view your scheduled messages on Telegram with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Then, navigate to the specific chat where you've scheduled a message. This could be a private conversation, a group, or even a channel. Telegram lets you schedule messages almost anywhere. Once you're inside the chat, look at the message bar where you usually type your texts. If you have a message scheduled for this chat, you'll notice a small calendar icon or a scheduled messages bar appear near the top or just above the keyboard. This icon only shows up if there are scheduled messages for that particular conversation, so if you don't see it, there aren't any scheduled messages in that chat. Next, tap on the calendar icon or the scheduled messages bar. This will instantly bring up a list of all your scheduled messages for that chat. Here, you can review each scheduled message, check the exact time it's set to be sent, and make any changes if needed. From this screen, you have several options. You can tap on any scheduled message to edit, reschedule, send it immediately, or even delete it if you've changed your mind. This gives you full control and flexibility over your scheduled communications. Keep in mind, Telegram currently doesn't offer a way to see all scheduled messages across every chat in one place. You'll need to repeat these steps for each chat where you've set up scheduled messages. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily view and manage your scheduled messages on Telegram, ensuring you never miss a beat or lose track of your important reminders. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for making the most out of Telegram.